Hi everyone, welcome to Late Track. You're watching how to return some of the elements in an array. So here we have an array 1, 2, 4, 10, and 31 which is of length 5, and here the sum of the elements in an array returns 48. So we need to in order to get the sum of the elements in an array, we need to traverse with every element in the array. So for traversing with every element in the array, we have two options in Python by using for loop and while loop. So for use, let's see the code how to find the sum of the elements in a array using for loop. So we're going to pass for I in range of length of a. Here I is the iterator, and range is going to start from 0 by default and up to end up to length of a and increment by 1. So the range is going to return as a list of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. As length of the array is 5, it is not going to return the last element. So whenever the I is 0, s will get added with the a of 0, and when I is 1, it will be added with a of 1. So after the traversal, we are going to print the sum of the array. So let's see using the while loop as well. Well, in while loop, it is quite different because we need to define the iterator. Okay, and how to start the iterator, because you can start the iterator with I equal to 1 as well. Okay, but it will not it will surpass the a of 0 element, so better to start with I equal to 0. While we're going to pass the control statement as well, where the loop should end when I equal to length of the array, because after that there is no element in the array, it may return an error. So we are going to add the element in the array. Initially what we have, I equal to 0, so I of 0 will be added to s, which is initially 0. So 0 plus 1 equal to the I will be 1 now. And sorry, and now we're going to add with sorry, and so the I is getting incremented to 1. So what is the 1? I will be 1 now. So the next in the next iteration, s equal to 1 plus a of 1. So s will be 1 plus 2 equal to 3. In the same way, it will go to iterate up to the 4 and print 48. So this is how we're going to use the Python for and while loops. Thanks for watching.